Hello children, welcome to the world of Science Explorica. So बच्चों, my name is Bhagyashri and we are going to get into the world of science. अब आपको पता है आपके आसपास जो भी चीज़ें होती है, whatever is there, whether it is natural, whether it is man-made, everything has science behind it, okay, and there is a reason why it has been made, and most of the things are made because of scientific reasons and using scientific formulas and requirements. So बच्चों, जैसे कि जब हम science पढ़ेंगे, we will come to know कि why things are happening around us, why is the nature in a particular manner, what does it do for us. So many different questions that keep bothering you all the time. उन सारे questions के जवाब आपको मिलेंगे when we get into all these chapters, and your knowledge is going to get enhanced. Basically आपको समझेगा कि क्यों चीज़ें होती है. So let's explore all the chapters and learn them in order to understand the science behind everything, and let's explore it quickly. Chapter 8, Unit 4, Needs of Life. Our needs, food, clothes and house. So बच्चों, हम लोगों ने already देखा है कि we have different body parts, okay. We've also seen that we have to follow certain good habits, okay, in order to stay fit and healthy. अब हम बात करेंगे कि हमारे basic requirements या basic needs क्या होती है, okay. So we're going to talk about our needs, which is food, clothes and houses, okay. So these are our basic needs which every human being has. So what are the learning goals? We are going to talk about the need for food, need for a house and need for clothes. So let's get started. So you have to circle the things that you see at your home. आपके घरों में कौन सी चीज़ें आपको नज़र आती है, उनको आपको circle करना है. Alright, so let's get started by doing this beautiful activity which is going to tell you, okay, what all things you see at your home, okay. So we all need food, we all need clothes and a house. Okay, these are our basic needs. So हमारे basic requirements है that we need good food, okay, खाना, right, कपड़े and a home, okay, एक घर, एक छत, okay, so that we are safe and we are in a comfort zone. Alright, why do we need food? We need food in order to grow, in order to get healthy, okay, in order to get the energy, in order to do work, play, okay. So energy aati hai, so we are able to work and play, okay. We need food which helps us to grow well, okay. We should eat fruits, we should eat vegetables, okay, that will help us to stay healthy. All right, we should drink milk every day, it keeps our teeth and bones strong. So हमेशा मतलब आप daily milk पीना है so that your bones, your teeth, okay, they become healthy, they become strong, because milk में होता है calcium which is good for your bones, okay. So fruits, vegetables, okay, a good healthy food, it helps us to grow well, it gives us the nutrition जिसकी वजह से हम कम बीमार पड़ते हैं. Need for clothes, we also require clothes, okay, in order to protect ourselves from different types of weather, okay, from animal bites, okay, or from dust. Okay, so the clothes जो है वो हमारी body को protect करते हैं, okay. So we need clothes to cover our body. Clothes, they protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and dirt, okay. And we wear different types of clothes as per the different weather, okay. जैसे कि in summer season we wear cotton clothes. अब cotton clothes जो होते हैं वो काफ़ी light होते हैं, okay. They are quite light, okay. Their fiber जो होता है वो it is quite airy, okay. इसकी वजह से when we wear cotton clothes we feel cool. During the winter season, what do we wear? हम winter season में पहनते हैं woolen clothes, okay. अब woolen clothes जो है वो हमें गर्मी देते हैं, they keep our body warm, okay. जब बारिश होती है, what do we wear? We wear a raincoat, Okay, so raincoat protects us from rain. Fun fact, raincoats are made of waterproof materials like plastic. So raincoat जो बनते हैं वो waterproof material से बनते हैं. Okay, and that is reason why बारिश हमारी शरीर पे नहीं आती है and it protects us from the rain. Let's explore. You have to collect pieces of different types of cloth. Paste them in your scrapbook. So अलग अलग आपके घर में अलग अलग टाइप के क्लॉथ्स दिखेंगे, आप लोग क्लोथ्स दिखेंगे. आप उसमें से एक अलग अलग पीसेस लगा के यू कैन टॉक अबाउट व्हाट पीस इट इज़, वेदर इट इज़ अ कॉटन पीस और अ वुलन पीस और इट इज़ अ प्लास्टिक मटेरियल. ओके, सम डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स दैट यू वेयर, उसके डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स होते हैं. ओके, सो उसमें अलग अलग टाइप के फैब्रिक्स होते हैं जिसका आप स्क्रैप बुक में एक एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो. सो ये जो क्लोथ्स हम पहनते हैं, how do we get them? Okay, from where do we get that material, okay, through which these clothes are made for us? So cotton clothes, they are made of cotton, and cotton जो है we get it from the cotton plant. So cotton का जो plant होता है, tree जो होता है, उससे हमें मिलता है cotton bolls. Okay, cotton bolls के बाद में it is converted into cotton fabric. For making woolen clothes, we get wool from sheep. So sheep जो होती है उसका जो wool होता है, okay, the hair of the sheep, okay, that is known as wool. From there the woolen clothes are made. So you have to tickle your brain and tell us the name of any two more animals, okay, that give us wool. Okay, ऐसे और दो animals का नाम बताना है जो हमें wool provide करते हैं. नीड फॉर अ हाउस. ओके, जैसे हमें क्लोथ्स प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं वैसे ही हमारा जो घर है, ओके, वो हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है. सो व्हेनेवर यू गो आउट समवेयर, व्हेन यू गो बैक होम, यू फील सो रिलैक्स्ड. ओके, बिकॉज what is a home? It is your comfort zone. It is a house. It's a place which keeps you safe, which makes you feel comfortable, which makes you feel safe. Okay, so we need a house to live in. Okay, we live with our family in our house. Our house, it helps us to keep safe from the rain, sun, cold weather, etc. Our house also protects us from the different changing weather, okay, and it also protects us against the strong winds. Our house, it also protects us from the wild animals, thieves. Okay, we can also keep our belongings in the house, which and they are safe inside the house. Okay, so house हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ों से protect करता है, safe रखता है. Okay, धूप से, बारिश से, चोरों से, okay, different types of weather, okay, conditions, strong winds से, okay, animals, wild animals, so it protects us. Okay, even from the mosquitoes, when we put a net, okay, they do not enter our house, isn't it? So that's how the house keeps us safe. So fun fact, the Carrot House is the world's narrowest house. Okay, Carrot House करके जो house है, you can check it on Google. Okay, it is the world's बहुत narrow घर होता है वो. Alright. So let's do a quick check. You have to circle the odd one out. So ये pictures देखो और इसमें से जो odd है उसको circle करना है. So let's talk about the different rooms in our house. एक घर के अंदर अलग अलग rooms होते हैं. Okay, so we study, we play and enjoy in our house. Our house has many rooms. हमारे घर के अंदर बहुत सारे rooms होते हैं. या some people have more rooms, some people have less room, but there are certain basic rooms that everybody has. Okay, so we cook food in the kitchen. खाना बनाते हैं हम लोग kitchen में. Okay, we rest and sleep in the bedroom. We wash clothes and take a bath in the bathroom. And we attend our guests in the living room. So these are the basic rooms that we all have in our house. We have our meals in the dining room. We study in the study room. Okay, we should keep our house neat and clean. So not necessary everybody has so many rooms in the house, but certain basic rooms आप देखोगे सबके घरों में होते हैं, जैसे कि living room हो गया, kitchen हो गया, bathroom हो गया. So these are certain basic rooms that everybody has in their house. And one more important thing is that we must keep our house neat and clean. Let's do a quick recap. So what are our needs? हमारी ज़रूरतें क्या है? Food. Food helps us to grow. It gives us the energy and it keeps us healthy. Clothes. They protect us, okay, from heat, from cold and from rain. Summer season में we wear cotton clothes, winter season में we wear woolen clothes and rainy season में we wear raincoat. House. It protects us, okay, घर हमें sun से, cold से, it protects us from different types of weather, okay, strong wind से protect करता है, it protects us from thieves, from wild animals as well. What are the different rooms that are in the house? Kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, living room, dining room and study room, okay. So now let's do you have to do a quick recap of this chapter. जल्दी जल्दी इस chapter revise करना है so that we can do the exercises which are in the assessment time. Assessment time, you have to, so A, choose the correct answer. We wear this in winters. हम लोग winters में क्या पहनते हैं? Cotton t-shirt, raincoat or C, sweatshirt, okay. So it's C, okay. This protects us from the rain, okay. Raincoat, cap or a jacket, it's the raincoat. This keeps our bones and teeth strong, okay. So it is mango, okay, milk or soap, it is B, milk. We get wool from sheep, cat or dog, it is from the sheep. Right, true or false? We need food to get energy. True. We should drink milk every day. True. We wear cotton clothes in winters. False. We wear woolen clothes. Fill in the blanks. See, we need food to stay healthy or lazy. Healthy. We wear during raincoats. We wear a raincoat. We keep our things in our house or market. House. Okay, now answer these questions in your own words, okay. Why should we drink milk? Milk हमें क्यों पीना चाहिए, okay. What are the different types of clothes जो हम winters में पहनते हैं, okay. And why do we need a house is what you have to write in your own words. So match the column A with column B. These are the pictures of different rooms. तो आपको correct room के साथ इस picture को match करना है. Think and tell. Your mother dries clothes in the sun, but she seldom dries colored clothes in direct sunlight. Why? So आप देखोगे कि आपकी मम्मी जो है कपड़े जनरली बाहर धूप में सुखाने डालती है, बट जो कलर्ड क्लोथ्स होते हैं उनको ज़्यादा धूप में नहीं रखती. क्यों? Joseph wears a synthetic shirt while bursting crackers. His father tells him to go and wear a cotton shirt. Why should he do this? Okay, synthetic कपड़े जो होते हैं उसमें आग तेज़ी से लगती है. So that is why in order to be aware, okay, and take precaution, that is the reason why Joseph के father उसको cotton shirt पहनने के लिए कहते हैं instead of synthetic shirt. Alright. Okay, fun time. You have to draw a picture of your house showing different rooms. आपको आपके घर का picture draw करना है जिसमें अलग अलग कमरे हैं. Okay. Then you have to take a handkerchief और एक भिंडी लेनी है. Okay, lady finger लेना है. Then you have to dip it in the color. Okay, and you can make different prints out of it. लाइफ स्किल्स एंड वैल्यूज़. डू यू हेल्प एट होम? क्या आप अपने घरों में अपने मम्मी पापा की या घर वालों की हेल्प करते हो? ओके, टिक द थिंग्स दैट यू डू इन ऑर्डर टू हेल्प देम. फोल्ड योर क्लोथ्स, रिपेयर अ लीकिंग टैप, पुट योर थिंग्स बैक आफ्टर यूजिंग देम, पुट योर प्लेट इन द किचन आफ्टर ईटिंग. सो इसमें से कौन सा काम आप करते हो विच हेल्प्स योर family members, all right, is what you have to tell us, all right. So children, before you follow all these activities and do all the exercises, you need to revise the chapter, learn everything properly so that you know that you have understood everything, all right. So, I hope children you have enjoyed learning this chapter as much as I have enjoyed teaching it to you. So, बच्चों I hope कि आपको सब reasons पता चल चुके हैं कि क्यों चीज़ें हो रही हैं, okay? और इसके behind का scientific reason क्या है, and I'm sure that you're going to share this knowledge, whatever you are learning, with others as well, and also, you know, not assume things but understand things, because जब हम लोग assume करते तब हम गलतियाँ करते, जब हम उसको understand करते, उसके behind जो भी formulas है या उसके behind जो भी scientific reasons है उन्हें हम समझते हैं, तब हमारा knowledge और ज़्यादा बढ़ता है, and then we think in the right direction. So now children, quickly revise the chapter and complete whatever activities and exercises are there. Alright, get going.